discuss naman natin ngayon yung rational function. Okay? So, a rational function, as stated, is a ratio of two polynomial functions. Okay? So, if it's a ratio, it is written as p over q or in fraction form. Kapag sinabi natin rational function, meron siyang numerator and denominator, where q or our denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay? Kasi sa that is a restriction pagdating sa mga function sa domain, no? So that is one of the restriction. We cannot divide by 0. Okay? That's why our q should not be equal to 0. Okay, so an irrational function, it is a ratio. Pag sinabing ratio again, that is in fraction form. Okay? So actually our concern in rational function is to find the vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, intercept, no? Like x-intercept and y-intercept, and if applicable, meron diyang mga tinatawag na hole, no? May butas. Okay? So, pero wala akong nilagay yan. Kaya ayun lang nilagay ko. No? Yung apat na. Yung x-intercept, it is also called zeros. Okay? Kaya minsan makikita nyo, what is the zeros? Ganun. But it is also x-intercept. Okay? So, let's try example number 1. Okay? So, if we say vertical, of course, that is like y-axis, and the horizontal asymptote is like x-axis. So, they are parallel to each other. Yung vertical asymptote, of course, that is parallel to y-axis, and the horizontal asymptote is parallel to the x-axis. Katulad na. Okay? So, nung nakaraan nakatapin na natin yung asymptote. Yung asymptote is a line, no? Yung dalawang line na papalapit ng papalapit pero hindi magtatagpo. Kasi yung isa, that is a curved line, no? Kung saan papalapit siya ng papalapit dun sa vertical asymptote or sa horizontal asymptote, pero hindi siya magtatagpo. Okay? So, ayun yung ibig sabihin ng asymptote. So, that is a two lines na papalapit ng papalapit. Okay, so let's try example number 1. So, napaka-importante na malaman ng mga asymptote at saka ng x and y intercept, no? Sa pag-graph ng rational function. Okay? So,